Hey there, fellow Apple enthusiasts. If you're an Apple Card user, you know that Daily Cash is one of the coolest perks. It's the cashback you earn on everyday purchases. But tracking it can sometimes feel like a mystery. Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to keep an eye on your Daily Cash rewards. Let's dive right in. First things first, what exactly is Daily Cash? It's Apple's way of giving you instant cash back on your spending. For example, you might earn 1% to 3% back on purchases, depending on where you shop, and it shows up almost immediately. To start tracking, grab your iPhone and open the Wallet app. That's your go-to hub for all things Apple Card. Step 1. Launch the Wallet app and tap on your Apple Card. You'll see a dashboard with key details like your balance and recent transactions. Look for the Daily Cash tab or section, usually right at the top. This will show you how much you've earned today, this week, or even this month. Step 2. Scroll down to view a detailed breakdown. Here, you can see exactly which purchases contributed to your Daily Cash earnings. It's super helpful for understanding your rewards. If you want a broader view, head over to the Apple Card website on your computer. Log in with your Apple ID, and you'll find a more comprehensive history of your earnings. One handy tip. Set up notifications in the Wallet app settings so you're alerted every time you earn Daily Cash. This way, you can watch your rewards grow in real time. Remember, Daily Cash automatically adds to your Apple Cash balance, which you can use for Apple Pay purchases or transfer to your bank account. Tracking your Daily Cash not only helps you stay on top of your finances but also motivates you to make the most of your Apple Card. If you run into any issues, double-check that your card is linked properly and your iOS is up to date. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.